Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange creamsicle bites. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. For the cake bites, you are going to need 1 box of Orange Supreme cake mix, 1 package of 3.4 ounces of instant vanilla pudding, 4 large eggs, 1 1/4 cups sour cream, a half a cup of milk. That is for the cake bites. And then for the glaze, you're going to need 3.5 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to melt that, 2 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/4 cup of hot water, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And then you're also going to need a mini muffin tin. So let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 325 and spray your muffin tin with cooking spray. If you have more than one of the mini muffin tins, you can go ahead and spray that too. I only have one, but we're going to make about 70 of these. Alright, next in a large bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix together all of our cake ingredients. So that's your box of cake mix, the vanilla pudding, 4 eggs, 1.5 cups sour cream, and the half cup of milk. We're just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it's nice and combined for about 4 or 5 minutes. Alright, that looks good. So now we are going to go ahead and fill up our mini muffin tins to about half the way full and bake those for 12 minutes at 325. Alright, those are halfway full and they're ready to go into the oven, 12 minutes. Alright, my first batch just came out of the oven and they smell delicious. We're just going to let them go ahead and cool in the rack for 2 minutes, in the pan and then we're going to transfer them to a cooling rack with wax paper underneath it. Okay, most of my little cake bites or mini muffins or whatever you want to call them are out of the oven and cooling. As you can see, when you take them out, you flip them upside down, so now the bottoms are the tops and the tops are the bottoms. So I'm going to get to working on my glaze. My last batch is in the oven. I was actually able to make 80 of these, so I made 10 more than the recipe said. So let's go ahead and get started. In a bowl, we're just going to blend all the ingredients together with an electric mixer. So that means you want to take your 3.5 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, and you want to go ahead and melt that, 2 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/4 cup of hot water, 1/4 cup of milk, and your 2 tablespoons of orange juice. We're just going to beat that until it's nice and combined. Right, that looks good. So you just want to go ahead and take your little muffins. I'll try to do one here on camera. Flip it back upside down. Dip it down in there so the sides and the new top are coated. And then just put it over on your wax paper to let it set. Alright, mine are all glazed up. I don't know if the little dots are just powdered sugar. I just didn't mix mine good enough or what, but it still tastes really good. I just had one. So I just poured the rest of my mixture over top of all of them. When I was finished, I had a little bit left. I just poured it all over every one of the little bites here. So we're just going to go ahead and let these set up, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Yummy.
Do you like it? Alright everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.